Tujielewe Global is a CBO, an organization that addresses gaps in the family setup. We address issues to do with psychological turmoil. We offer counseling, therapy, family-centered approach is what we give towards this, so that we can have healed family spaces. You can find us at Tujielewe Global. We are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, and also on Instagram.
How do you think that we can stand for justice in this issue of FGM?
Psychological turmoils among men, if we can be able to have community-based rehabilitation spaces that these men can run to, and also working on inclusivity journey. We are dealing with the issues as women, and we are not bringing men along, so that we have that holistic journey of addressing the matter.